And once the chat window disappears from your screen, you can keep playing without distractions while still having the option to bring it back anytime. On Roblox for Xbox Series X and Xbox Series S, there is currently no way to permanently disable text chat, but you can hide it during gameplay. To hide the chat interface, press the Options button on your Xbox controller while you're in a Roblox game, then press the RB right bumper button. This instantly minimizes the chat window and removes it from view. This feature works on Xbox Series X and S controllers and only hides the chat visually. It does not turn off chat entirely. Roblox is in the middle of moving from the older legacy chat system to the newer text chat service, which is why chat behavior can vary between games. To use text chat properly on Xbox, make sure crossplay is enabled in your Roblox settings, as chat relies on cross-platform connectivity. You should also check your Xbox privacy settings, open your console's privacy and online safety options, and confirm that communication and multiplayer features are allowed. Inside Roblox account settings, you can further control who can message or chat with you, including options for friends, everyone, or restricted access. While text chat is available on Xbox, voice chat is not currently supported on consoles. Roblox has confirmed that voice chat for consoles is planned for future updates. For younger players, parents can use Roblox parental controls to manage chat access, restrict communication, and apply content filters using a parent PIN.